In today's video, I will guide you on how to completely remove any virus from your PC, Windows 10, Windows 11, and other computers. We are going to use all inbuilt apps or functionality from your PC on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first thing you have to do is to watch this video to the end, because the last process is what a lot of PC users ignore, and I'm telling you, it's one of the most effective way. So first thing, you have to come to this place, right click on it, then select run. Once you select run, then here type in temp, temp, hit the enter button, or you click on the OK button. You're going to have something like this. You can see this computer is clean. That is why you're having something like this. So these files are here is from your computer. So all I have to do is to click one of these, Control A, Shift Delete, then click Yes, click Continue. Then this is going to delete all these files. You will likely something like this. Don't panic. Some of this file is open. Click on this button, click on skip, then it's going to delete everything. So if there's any virus here, it's going to take care of it in a moment. The next option, which is number 2, is to right click here again, click on run. So in this field provided, they type %temp%, then it's the enter button. As well, you have something like this. So click anyone, Control A, delete button, then delete all, then check this button and skip all. So all it does is that it's going to delete every file that computer has created for you. And don't panic, this are not your file. This is what the computer created for you, and that is why you must clean it. Sometimes virus enter your device in that process. The next one is to run what is called clean up device, and this is very simple as well. Here, right click on it, then click on the run button the third time. Now this time around, type in clean mgr, then it's the enter button. It brings to this interface. Now here, if you have multiple windows here, make sure you select the one that have your Windows installed, and you must always see this small logo at it. If you select this one, you can see that the logo is not here. So you select your C drive with this logo, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, it comes out like this. Now all you have to do is to make sure that you select everything here. So this is as it, because my recycle bin has some data that I've just sent to it, you can see, and somehow, somewhere, sometimes viruses might be sent to your device. So select everything here, click on OK, then click on this delete file, then wait for this to be completed. And if yours is having a bigger file, then it's going to take longer time, and if it is a small or lesser file, then it's going to take lesser time. Just wait patiently for this to clean up your device, thereby taking away or removing every virus that might be in your computer. So don't panic, just wait, and don't think that it's going to delete your file. No, this file that is deleting here is what the computer has created in the background while using your computer. The last but not least, which I say is the most active one that a lot of users ignore, is very simple as well. Come to this button here, click on it, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Just wait a few seconds for this page to load up. Now come back to this place, click on this one that says quick scan. A lot of users ignore this. If you don't come to this place and scan your device time to time to remove virus, if any, then your computer is at risk. But once you come to this place and scan your computer for any viruses, this is going to help your computer remove viruses from background and any other thing that might creep in form of malicious file. So always come to this place and do this time to time. And the time is spent here, or the time this can depend on file you have in your device. So if you have bigger or larger file in your device, then you are expected to wait longer time before the process completes. But if you have lesser file on your device, then you have to wait lesser time before the process is complete. So you can see in less than just 1 minute 3 seconds, the whole system has been completed and zero threats found. Tells you that this computer is clean. no virus. That's all, guys. So if you enjoy what I've explained and you have been able to complete all the process I've explained in this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comment in the comment section. See you soon, guys, on our next video.